To turn on or off flashlight with volume button on Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is simply first go into the settings, and from here scroll all the way down and go for the accessibility and convenience right here. From here scroll down until you find gestures and motions. Let's go in there, and here we can find this option, turn on or off flashlight with volume button, and here you have to simply press this switch right here, and now when the screen is off you have to press and hold the volume button to turn the flashlight on or off. And here's the note that this function is not available during media playback. Alright, as we have this option turned on, let's now turn off the screen, and I will get this volume down button right here and press and hold it, and as you can see here is the flashlight turning on, and again as I press and hold this button while the screen is off, the flashlight is turning on or off, just like this. So yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.